Yeah, so it's definitely seemed like a leak from the bottle there, that's for sure. Definitely leaking out there. As you can see, there's steam there. So that's definitely a leak. I don't see any other major leaks except down there by the radiator. I see there's a few drops, but it's very little. That's all that's coming from the radiator. So that's a slow leak, but leaking nonetheless. And that you see there is all the water running out from the bottle, running through the chassis there. So yeah, let's hope that when you fit this bottle, that's it for now. And the other stuff we can do later. So this is the coolant system. I put in the coolant. We got nice Vw oil for you, and I use very good, not expensive necessarily, but the best products that I could find. Radiator cleaner. So hopefully that will clean out most of the mush, but there might still be a little bit of it's difficult to get all the rust because remember I'm not replacing all the components, but it will be better. And this one is cracked anyway, so it's not even operational, but yeah, at least that will be sorted, and let's hope that nothing else leaks. But yeah, the color might not be perfect, but it will be better and more functional. Obviously that's really bad, quite a bad leak there. Yeah, if you look here, there's your crack. It looks like a part of the bottle was actually cracked there. See there? From there till there. So that's where it seems to be your leak, and it's going all over the pipes. Let's hope that's the only thing, because it's the only thing I could see. But yeah, like I told you, when you put this thing together, hopefully don't press out somewhere else now. Maybe it press out later. But that is definitely the main leak. So yeah, let's just hope this is the only thing. This looks like it's all residue, but yeah, it's the only place I can see it leaking. But we'll see as we put it together and we bleed the system. If it bleed and the fan come on here, then we know that the system is happy enough for now.